Good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 25, Earth and Space. Student, we will study in this chapter about the constellation, about the phases of moon and some information about our solar system. So let's start our chapter. Many small stars are seen twinkling in the sky. You know about it. And the moon that is looks like round shape, in a round shape, that is also shining brightly and it is also looks beautiful. And some of the stars in the sky are shining very brightly, but some are shining less, and you can say some are shining faintly. So student, the question is also stuck in your mind that where do these stars go during the daytime? ये जो stars होते हैं वो हमको नाइट में दिखाई देते हैं, बट रात में ये स्टार जो है वो कहाँ जाते हैं? बट योर आंसर विल बी दैट दीज स्टार डू नॉट गो एनीवेयर ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट सी दैम बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्राइट सनलाइट. व्हेन इट बिकम्स डार्क दे बिकम विजिबल टू अस. सो द मून ऑल्सो हैज नो लाइट ऑफ इट्स ओन. मून की भी खुद की लाइट नहीं होती है, एंड मून शाइन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइट ऑफ द सन. एंड द स्टार्स आर फार अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ, सो दे लुक वेरी स्मॉलर. एंड द मून दैट इज क्लोज टू आवर अर्थ, दैट्स व्हाई it looks bigger than other stars. So you can see here is the picture of Saptarishi constellation. In a Saptarishi constellation, there is the extremely bright star. You can see in the picture that is known as pole star. And pole star is always lying in the north direction, and there is the sequence of 7 stars, which you see in the picture, that is known as a collection of the 7 great sages, or you can say Saptarishi constellation and Saptarishi mandal. During the night time, the pole star that helps the traveler to locate the right direction. So which star helps the traveler to locate the direction? Your answer will be pole star. When someone wants to go into space, it use space aircraft. So space aircraft used to go into the space, but many preparations have to be made before going to the space. And many astronauts from India have also gone into the space, and they saw the Earth from the space, and they provide information about it. Here is some picture are some astronaut, that is Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. So Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut who went to the space. The first Indian astronaut is Rakesh Sharma who went to the space. And the women astronaut from India who traveled to the space are Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. You can see here is the photograph of these astronauts, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. But when the astronaut want to go in the space, they have to they have to complete some preparation. So what are these preparation? The preparation for astronauts that are gone into, that is they have to use different type of food habit that has to be developed to the astronaut. So the practice of eating different kind of food and to work in a specific conditions, to live in the absence of gravitational force, because there is no gravitational force in the space, so they have to live in the absence of gravitational force. And they have to live in a high pressure and breathlessness, because there is in the space pressure is very high, and so they have to habit to living under high pressure and in a breathless state. So then our next topic is solar system. in your junior classes you also have studied about this. So the sun is the head of our solar system, and there are 8 planets of the solar system, and all the planets revolve around the sun. The name of the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury, and the Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. And the smallest planet of the solar system is Mercury, and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. And on which planet we live? We live on the planet Earth. And why we live on the planet Earth? We all live on the planet Earth because only on the Earth, because the favorable condition for life is available on the Earth. That's why we live on the Earth. Here is some picture of changing phases of the moon. You can see here picture is given here. You can see the moon is in this way, the moon is in the increasing order, and in this way the moon is in the decreasing order. So when we observe the changes in the shape of the moon in the figure that is given, you can see that the size of the moon increase for Ekam to the Purnima, and on the Purnima the moon is in a round shape. So you can say full moon is visible on the Purnima, and when it decreasing after Purnima, the moon becomes invisible in the Amavasya. So there is no moon in the Amavasya at the sky, and there is a full moon on the Purnima in the sky. And so many festivals, occasions and fairs which we celebrate, that is also come on the Tithis. Like that is Bhaiya Dooj is celebrated on the occasion of Dwitiya, and the Basant Panchami we celebrate on the Panchami Tithi, and the Shivratri that's come on the Teras, and Holi and Raksha Bandhan are come on the Purnima. And so many festivals are also come, and fairs are organized, that is also dependent on the Tithis. So student, here is your chapter is complete. Just take a quick revision of this chapter. What we study in this chapter? We studied that the sun, the moon and the stars are present in the sky, and the pole star that is known as Dhruv Tara, that is visible in which direction? In the northern direction. And the shape of the moon, that is continuously appears to be, that is in the increasing and in the decreasing order. And there are 8 planets in our solar system, and which revolves around the sun. So student, this chapter is complete. Read this chapter carefully and do the question answer in good clean handwriting, in which are given in a PDF. Thank you.